It started when I was a kid. My jaw had always popped and clicked, and it would literally unhinge off and sometimes lock up. And probably in the last year or so, um, it got worse and worse, so where sometimes when I ate, it would lock up. And I literally had to take my hand and shove my jaw over in order to unhinge it. And then every time I would bite down to eat, it would clench back up and I couldn't open again. I never wanted to get treatment because it was always surgery or pain meds, and I didn't want any of those options, and so I just never went, but it kept getting worse and worse. And I didn't even know it was TMJ at the time. I just knew I couldn't open my mouth and something was wrong. And so I went online and I saw Dr. Safarian's name and came in for a consultation, and he said that we can fix you without surgery. What I liked about Dr. Safarian was when he sat down, he said, this is what's wrong, and you have three options. And he gave me the three options, and he said, you know, from this approach, this is your option. From oral surgery approach, this is your option, and this is how I do it. And he was really nice about everything, very patient, and he hooked me up, diagnosed it, said, yeah, we can really make a difference, but the other hand, I have to do things on my end. I have to wear the device. And it was literally 2 appointments. Came in, diagnosed me. The next time I came in, he fit me for the appliance that I have in my mouth now. Once he diagnosed everything, he put a TENS unit, just like you would get on your back if your back was having muscle spasms if you go to a doctor or a chiropractor. And he put the TENS unit, and so it just massaged both sides of my jaw, and it actually relaxed my muscles enough to where I could open my mouth for the first time. It was probably 3 or 4 weeks out of wearing this that I could actually eat sushi for the first time because I couldn't open my mouth wide enough. So a lot of people say, oh, is that Invisalign? And so it's just really thin, very comfortable, and at first speech was a little slurred, and but now it's fine. Within a few days, the pain was gone. Now, no pain. I can open my mouth straight, and there's no popping. There's no clicking. Nothing gets unhinged. It's a normal jaw now. My husband says I don't snore, and I feel like I sleep better because my jaw is in line. And just sleeping on the side, there was pain because my jaw was out of line. You know, the biggest thing is I was a huge skeptic, and the only option that I ever knew was surgery, and I put it off for many, many years. I mean, this started probably in my 20s. I'm 34 now, and really in the last 3 to 4 years. I mean, that's a long time to be in pain, and it just got worse and worse and worse. So whatever someone's symptoms are now, it's only going to get worse. So it's an investment, but it's the quality of life is so much more important.